Hello, today we are going to convert customary units of weight. So customary units of weight are ounces, pounds, and tons. And the abbreviations are OZ, LB, and T. Now 16 ounces equals 1 pound. And 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. So let's look at our first problem. 48 ounces equals how many pounds? Now the chart here, we have 16 ounces equals 1 pound, which we already set up here, right? So we're going to extend this chart out. So we know 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 2 pounds is going to be 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32. And 3 pounds is going to be 16 more. 32 plus 16 is 48. So a chart could be really helpful in converting units of measurement. So if I was going to convert pounds, tons to pounds, I could just extend the pattern out on a chart like this. So 1 ton, on the ton side we could do 2 tons, 3 ton, 4 tons, and if 1 ton's 2,000, 2 tons is going to be 2,000 plus 2,000, which is 4,000 pounds. And then 3 tons would be 6,000 pounds. So that's how we use a chart to convert customary units of weight. Now you try some. Good luck.